So I might be a crazy cat lady now. There's 3 cats, 2 cat trees, 2 litter boxes, 2 watering stations, a cat bed. It's winter here in Maryland and it's getting kind of cold, so I sealed off the windows and have blankets in front. Anyway, automated laser pointer, which is wonderful. A ton of cat toys on the floor, and 3 cat scratchers, soon to be 4. I've got litter mats because I'm not a fan of clay litter. However, my cats are, so we compromised. And this is life with my 3 cats. The orange one is Nike. She's a stray turned house cat. Got her as a 8-week-old, maybe a 4-week-old kitten. I'm lucky she didn't get sick and die on me. But life is good. Then there's Persephone, and she just recently joined us. I have no idea how old she is, but she's another stray turned house cat. And then the white one is Falcor. I'm thinking about renaming him Adonis because he is the only one without the name of a Greek mythological being. His name's Falcor currently, and, well, let's just be honest, he acts like an Adonis, pushing the 2 girls around and establishing his dominance. These guys are keeping me company while my wonderful husband is currently deployed. Oh, we crossed paths. Oh well. Alright, so that's my cat apartment, and I'm loving life. I don't know what she's thinking, but she's pretty good indoor cat, and is probably happier in here than she was outside. There's plenty of water, plenty of food, plenty of warmth, and plenty of cuddles. She purrs when she's brushed, so that's a good sign. Alright. From all of us here in Alexandria, Virginia, hope you stay warm through this winter. I wonder if he'll go after her one more time. Get her, girl. Guess not. Alright, over and out.